Hi guys.
Now we're going to
Nag-shopping sila.
going to Manila. There's a lot of zip line. If you want to ride the zip line, you pay 10 francs.
Where's the
so
zip line?
that one.
Oh.
When you ride a zip line, Zurich to Philippines, 10 franc only. So very cold now because a while ago there's a rain, snow, and I have a pen. And I have a ball pen. No. I have a cup. I catch the snow.
Oh.
Then I get milk and mango so that I can make a halo-halo.
Oh.
No, halo-halo. Mix halo-halo. When you walk, you have to stop if the lights is red.
Violet or blue?
If the lights is green, you have to walk fast. Now you have to walk fast because the light is red.
Hi guys.
We're gonna walk, going to...
Wait first.
No, we're walking now, going to Van Hope.
Yep. Ate Jen is
Criminal.
Ate Jen is now violating the rules. He walk fast. My God.
First time here, so okay lang Ate Jen.
If you want to visit the Switzerland, just contact me because I know where is the place where you want to. I know the rules. Look at them.
Let's go.
Let's go. The green light is on.
Yes.
And we hope that later the snow going down
Parade.
going down for real.
We're going to... Bibili kami ng kitchen to pasalubong. Yeah, we're here in a big museum. I don't know
The place here is so very big, so you can play basketball here.
Yeah.
If you have your own ring, just put it there so that you can play anywhere.
Yeah. We go, bibili kami ng souvenir and kitchen here in Kiokso.
You have to buy a kitchen. You know what is kitchen? Kitchen when you cook, and that's kitchen.
No, the kitchen is yung piniprito. Chicken. Layo, sorry. Chicken. We go inside. Wow. Uy. That toy is walking. We buy some kitchen here. We buy some kitchen. Wow, so many kitchen here.
Simuro ng pinakabarato din.
How much yung kitchen? Pila? How much? Oh, 5 Ang mahal ng mga kitchen, so franc. Mahal. Wow.
I need a CR.
Oh, the CR is here. The CR is here. You go there.
CR dito may bayad.
How much? Oh my God.
Before we go to
Shell City.
Shell City, we have to take a picture with them so that they have a remembrance from us.
Wala cute. Wala chippy.
We're here now at the train. Their train is so very clean. It looks like a condo.
What is the condo?
Hinahanap ka, bumili lang ka na, napapantad niya yun.
The camera is there.
All around the city. This is a train. This is what we call tram. You know what's tram? The enemy of Hillary Clinton.
No, drum, that one you used to.
It's a drum. The drum, it's kind of dance.
What's
Crapping.
Let's go back to
I
our
know,
topic.
Trump. In the Dragon Balls, si Trump. Guys, now we are here at, we're walking, going to somewhere. This place is so very beautiful, nice and quiet. A lot of people walking here, and as you see in the camera, there's beautiful places. You can buy anything else. Look at what Guns holding. He buy a shoes worth $500,000. My God, so expensive. Anyway, that's the enemy of Superman, Batman. That's Batman. As you can see now, this place is so very cool. There's a mountain. There's a mountain. As you can see, I will explain it to you the proper way. As you can see,
Christmas light.
that the person who are climbing is now putting a Christmas light so that the Christmas light will on and evening, so that the place is so beautiful, nice to see in your eyes. By the way, and anyway, we're going to enter the mall. What can you say about this happening right now? You hold it.
Now I hold it the camera because I'm so overwhelmed to what happened right now.
Now he hold the camera.
Yes.
I'm feeling nervous because I don't think it.
Are you
going
also
back for
feeling
me.
nervous because I will punch you, huh? You know punch? You know punch?
No.
So do you buy the food? You punch the cashier.
Oh. It's gonna.
Punch. Yung sumisigaw sa amin. It's believers. Punch pala yun.
Ate Jen is actually with us a while ago because hindi namin nabigay sa kanya yung susi. Yung susi. Susi.
Hello, fresh from Swiss. Yes, this is
Fresh from Swiss. Oh, ikaw lang fresh.
Happy birthday, Ronald.
From Expedienza.
In Switzerland. Enjoy your day.
Yes, God bless and more birthday to come.
Mga kaibigan, nandito po kami ngayon sa Dorf.
Dorf.
Kasalukuyan po namin hinihintay yung aming sundo dahil po may isa pong bahay na nag-invite sa amin. Nandun ang mga kaibigan. Kailangan po natin mapagbigyan mga kaibigan kasi isa din po sila sa tumulong sa amin. Nagbigay na po sa amin mga kaibigan. So mga kaibigan, nandito tayo mga kaibigan. Hinihintay pa rin mga kaibigan. Back to you, Vincent.
That is Mr. John Robert Acharon, our one and only leader. Guys, we're now here at the place to be. Kainan na. The owner of camera. We're going to the house of Tita. Now we're here. So, pasensya na kayo medyo na-late tayo. Oh. Cooking. Cooking.
So this is grilled food.
Sit.
Nandito tayo ng pulis.
Hindi yun.
Di ba yun?
Dyan. May 10 nanay, may 10
Then, toyo in rice. That's good.
Frank. Joke. Frank. Ano mo na? Ituloy mo na.
Ay, ang sarap ng ice cream. Ate, yung mga entry mo, puro kabastos. Alatang tigang kayo.
Hoy, dalawa anak ko. Ikaw.
Dalawa din.
Saan dumaan?
Sa opo.
Hindi, ikaw.
Ano, puro tawa lang tayo dito?
Boring.
Tingnan mo sila rito, yung tao niya parang may entry siya. Ay,
Wala na eh. Boring.
Kasi kung i-entry pa ako, maniningil na. Kung i-entry pa ako, maniningil
Sige na.
Namumblema pa nga ako
Tapos na ako.
sino siniling ko kagabi.
Tapos na tayo sa ice cream. Oh, next.
ba't mo binibigay sa yung 10 yung XB ha?
Tsaka 10 nanay, di ba?
Wala ko din.
Saan mo pinili yung isa? Bila ako.
Ate Gina.
Hoy, wala ako dyan ha, wala. Out ako dyan ha.
Pito ko rin.
Oh, kasi kayo sisingin ko si Ate Gina.
Wala ako ha, abnormal ako ha. Abnormal ako ha. Ay, ang bilis na katulog. Tingnan mo pagtulog, fresh pa rin.
Diyos ko, amigo.
Ang hirap magpatawa na, lalo na pag walang Franks.
Okay, may isa pa ako.
Ay.
Ay,
Ang gati na dito.
kamutin ko, kamutin ko.
Ikaw muna. Mag-isip ka pa ng iba.
Kaya,
Boring naman to kasama natin ba? Para hindi, ano, Diyos ko.
doon tayo sa labas.
Oo nga. Baguhin na lang yung expert. Ano na lang, 3, isang babae, 2 lalaki.
Tama, dapat ikaw nakaisip mo.
Sige, adapin ko na kayo. Dali.
Para humaba. Para humaba. Malay mo, wala may chance.
Ay, boring naman kayo. Wala talaga kayo. Shower.
Ay, ang habi yun. Napaka na. Nakakatuwa yun
Hindi, yung shower, di ba mahaba? O dito, tubig siya.
Wala kasi shower sa Philippines eh.
Meron sa hotel, huwag kang ganyan. Oh, go. Next.
Gano lang.
Wala ka.
Ay, squatter ako ha.
Ano ba ito biglaan?
Kaya.
Next. Boring naman.
Hawakan mo. Dito. Oo nga, biglaan no. Wait, side mirror. Kailangan ko pa explain.
Uy, ano? Hindi ka kasama.
Huwag mo nabasa, wala lang makaisip eh. Huwag mo na patagalin.
Namimingwit mo na ako.
Sakit na. Nanonood ka kanina. Ginawa na yan eh.
Hindi. Iba man yung ganyan. Eh, natililin yung isda niya. Ako mamingwit eh. Oo. Oo, di ba?
Ginawa si Kuya Jan, ang lakas tumawa, fresh pa rin.
Ba, video lang ba? Video lang ito.
Uy, uli ko na siya. Uy, grabe.
Yung tingin ni Kuya Dani.
Bakit isa lang kasi ito dapat nakatulog para
Kuya Dani, meron yung Kuya Dani.
Ito na lang, isa entry na lang.
Oo,
Sige, ikaw mauna.
Oy,
wala na na.
They
Gawa
have
na
any
natin kuha ka ng ibang ano.
Sige, gumawa ka doon. Doon sa labas may mga bato.
Oh, maganda ka ng ano, along.
Na.
Sabi mo bato. Sumbong kita ni ano, General Bato.
Sana ako para kayo ang ano po, dancers.
Saan po?
Ang mahal siguro ng charges.
Kaya nga, wala kaming chance kay Vice na. Kasi pwede ako pang ano ba, yung spontan na ano, joke.
Oo, consciousness.
Eh, para, hindi